Hi, and welcome to this new video. Today I will show how to activate the fingerprint lock on WhatsApp and Telegram. Let's begin. To activate fingerprint lock on WhatsApp, click on the three dots at the top right and enter the settings. Now click on Account, then on Privacy. Scroll down and click on Fingerprint Lock and activate the option. In this way you will unlock WhatsApp using the same fingerprints with which you unlock the phone. To activate the unlock with fingerprint option on Telegram, click on the three dots at the top left and go to Settings. Click now on Privacy and Security. Select the passcode lock option, enter a lock code of your choice. Then enable the unlock with fingerprint option. Thanks for watching, leave a like, and don't forget to subscribe.